These are 5 survival knots that you need to know how to tie right now. What you want to do is you want to make a loop. Take your working end, make it go behind the standing end, and you'll see its shape as an 8. Then you want to turn your working end into a noose and very carefully poke it through the top hole of the 8. And there you have it, a figure 8 slip knot. What you want to do is you want to take your working and make it go around the thing you're tying it to. Make it go around again, but this time cross it over the part where you first wrapped it around to make crossing lines. Come back around again. When you came back around, make it go under the top of the crossing lines. Hold tight on both ends. You got yourself a clove hitch. Now this knot is very good for practicing ridge lines if you don't know any of the fancy ridgeline knots. The bad news is that it can slip easy if you pull on it too tight. The good news is that you can fix that by tying a stopper knot. So you want to take your working end, make it go over whatever you're tying it to. Hold your standing end with your left hand, wrap your working end around it. Then what you want to do is you want to make your working end go under and over whatever you're tying it to, and then you want to poke it through where your index finger is. Then you want to pull tight, and you got yourself a bull hitch. You can tell if it's a bull hitch if these 2 lines right here are crossing. If they are crossing, then you've done it right. So first what you're going to do is you're going to make a plain loop just like that. Then what you do is you take the working end, this is what this part is, make it go up that loop. Then what you're going to do is make your working end go around your standing end and make it go around and make it go down that same exact loop that it went up through. Pull tight, and now you have yourself a bowline knot. Now this is a very strong knot, and this is mostly used to make a tarp shelter or to hang up stuff if people are in the woods. Part of the end, make it go over the ridge line. Then what you do is you take the knot apart, make it go through the looped part, take it and make it go through again, and then make it go through one more time. And now you just pull down, make sure all these are lined up. Now it should look like a fist bump. What it's for is when you hold it down with your fingers, it should move around very easily, but when you pull it down with tension, it's a bit harder to move it, and sometimes not even at all. Which one of these knots was your favorite?
I like this one the best. Comment down below which one was your favorite.
Wehttams? Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.